Now here, practice set 3.6. What is given? The first question is given. Find the factor of polynomials given below. So first question is what given? 2x square plus x minus 1. So we have to find the factor. See, this is the equation 2x square plus x minus 1. Okay. Now here we have to multiply this first term with the last one. When we multiply this both, we'll get 2. Okay, when we are getting 2, this number, we have to find the multiple of this. For example, 2 ones are 2. Okay, in other table it will not come. The 2 will not come in other table. It will come only in table of 2 itself. Okay, now here, as you can see, the minus sign is there. The last, see, the first is plus and the last sign is what? Minus. So if there is a minus sign in the last coefficient, with the last coefficient, then at that time we have to take minus in between this. Okay, and whatever the greater number is there, greater coefficient, sign will come here. Okay, I hope you understood. Now we are going to move to second step. Now here you can see 2x square is given. In the place of x, we are going to write this plus 2x minus, in the place of 1 we will write x. So I am writing here plus 2x minus x and minus 1. I hope you understood. Now next step is, here you can see 2x square is given. So 2x, and here you can see 2x is given. Okay, so in both, what is common? These both are common. And what remain? X remain, right? So what we will do, the common we will write here 2x, and the remaining x we will write inside the bracket. Okay, now nothing remain here, so we will write plus 1. Okay, nothing is common remain here, so we are writing plus 1 here. Again this minus sign will come here, as you can see. Now here the same bracket will come. Before that, as you can see, what is given? X minus 1 is given. Okay, to get the same here, we will take here 1. Okay, as you know that in the place of x it was 1, we have taken this. When we get minus, we'll get what? 1x. When this both get minus, we'll get 1. So here we are taking 1, and in the bracket x plus 1 will come. Why plus? Because minus minus will become plus. Okay, now when we multiply this both, we'll get 2x square. When we multiply this both, we'll get 2x. When we multiply this both, we get x. And again when we multiply this both, we'll get minus 1. I hope you understanding. Now we got this 2 terms, x plus 1. This is a common factor, x plus 1, and the remaining is what? 2x minus 1. So we got the factor of 2x square plus x minus 1. I hope you understood. We have solved this sum. Now we will move to second one. Now next question is what? 2m square plus 5m minus 3. Now here also we are going to multiply first coefficient with the last one. So 2 3s are 6. Okay, 2 3s are 6 we got. Now again here middle term is what? 5m it is. So now we will find Now we are going to see in which table the 6 will come. For example, 1 6 are 6, okay, 2 3 are 6, okay. Now again 3 2 are 6. I hope you are understanding what I want to say. Now again 6 1s are 6. Now here, as you can see, what is given? 2m square plus 5m minus 3 is given. Now here we have seen in which table 6 will come. Now here we are having what? 5m. Okay. So we have to see in such a way that it should come, that we get 5m here, and the first table you can see 1 6 6, okay. And here what is the sign of middle term? It is plus 5m, and it is a bigger number also. Now whatever sign of bigger number, it will come between this, okay. Here we are having minus, so minus will come here. When we do minus plus, the minus will come, and when we do minus, we'll get what? 5m here. So in the place of 5m, we will write minus 1 plus 6. So I'm writing here, therefore 2m square plus 5m minus 3. This is our solution. 2m square as it is I am writing now, minus 1m plus 6m minus 3, okay. Now here, as you can see, we have to see right here m, 2m, and here what is given? 1m is given. What is common here? M is common, okay. Whatever common we got, we have to write here m, and inside the bracket we'll write 2m, okay. What we have here? We have 1, so we'll write minus 1, okay. What remain? 1 remains, so we have written here minus 1. So when we multiply this both, we will get what? 2m square minus 1. When we multiply this both, we will get 1m. I hope you are getting. Plus, the sign of plus in between will remain as it is. Now here what we are having? We are having 6m minus 3, okay. So 6m, and what we are having? 3 we are having. So we have to see the common, so that we should get 2m minus 1 again. So here 6 is there, 2 3s are 6, okay. 2 3s are what? 6, okay. Now you can see 3 and 3 are both common, right? So what we will do? We will write 3 here. I hope you are understanding. Now again in the bracket what we will write? 2m minus 1, okay. We took sign of plus here because the greater number, the greater middle number having the sign of plus, so we have to plus here, okay. I hope you understood. Here as you can see, when we multiply this both, we will get this 2m square, okay. When we multiply this both, we will get 1m. When we multiply this both, we will get 6m, and when we multiply this both, we will get 3, okay. The next step is, we will write m, 2m, this is a common fact, 2m minus 1. Now next is what? M, this m plus 3, okay. I hope you are understanding. We can write this also here. We can write m plus 3 and next 2m minus 1, that also correct. So here you can see we got the common factor of question number 2, that is 2m square plus 5m minus 3. Now next question is given 2 12x square plus 61x plus 77. Okay, now here also we have to multiply this two coefficient, the first with last. We have to multiply this both. 77 will get multiplied with 12. 77 will multiply with 12. Then will be get, this is our third equation, that is 12x square plus 61x plus 77. Here we have to multiply first coefficient number with the last one. So when we multiply 77 by 12, we will get 924. Okay, now here 924 is a big number, so table is not possible, so we'll find the prime factor of 924. Okay, then I will take 2 4s are 6s are and 2s are, again 2 2s are 3s are and 1s are, then again 3 7 7s are 21, again 3 7s are 21, then we'll get 11 7s are, then 7 1s are. This both are prime factor. Okay, now from this we have to take such numbers so that we can do the solution step by step. So here, as you can see, now here as you can see, we'll take 3, first we'll take 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28. Okay, we'll take 28. Okay, I'm writing here. Then what remain, 11 3s are 33. Okay, we'll get 33 here. Okay, when we multiply this both, we'll get what, 924. We'll get 924. So here 28 and 33, 11 61. Okay, the middle number is what, 61, and when we add this both, what we will get, we will get 61. So here as you can see, sign is what, plus sign is here. Okay, there is a plus sign. If plus sign is there, means we will take in between plus. Here also the plus sign will come, here also the plus sign will come. I hope you are understanding. Now I am writing here 12x square plus 61x plus 77. Okay, again 12x square plus, in the place of 61x, in the place of middle term, we are going to write plus 28 plus 33. So plus 28x plus 33x plus 77. I hope you are understanding. Now again, now here we have to find the prime factor, prime factor of 12 and 28. Okay, this is our first term, this is our second term. Now here 2 6s, 2 3s and 3 1s. So what we got, 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Okay, we got 4 into 3 as 12. Okay, now next term is what given, 28 is given. So we'll see if 28 come in. Now we are having what, 28. If you see 4 in 4 table, 4 3s is 12 and 4 7s are what comes, 28 comes. Okay, now here what we will do, we will take 4, as you can see x is given, x square is given, so x in the bracket what will come, 3x. Okay, then again plus So 4 is common here. What we will take now? 7. We will take 7. Now when we multiply this both, we will get what? 12x square. And if we multiply the second step, that is 2x multiplied by 7, we get 28x. So we have solved this term. Now again plus. So here nothing common remain. So what we will do? We will take in the place of this. See the next step. What is given? 33x plus 77 is given. Okay. And as you know, the second box will remain same as it is. The 3x plus 7. Okay. Now here we have to take what? We have to take 11. Okay. When we multiply this both, okay, when we multiply this both, we will get 33x. And when we multiply this both, we will get 77. I hope you are understanding. Now the last step is what? 3x plus 7. This is common factor here. And the remaining is what? 4x plus 11. We got the factor of question number 3. Now question number 4 is given 3y square minus 2y minus 1. Now here we have to multiply the first coefficient number with the last one. So we'll get what? 3 multiplied by 1, we will get 3 here. Okay. Now we have to see 3 is multiple up of what? When we see the table, the 3 will come in which table? 3 itself. So 3 1s are 3. Okay. Now here as you can see, I am writing the solution first. 3y square minus 2y minus 1. We are having middle term as 2y. Okay. So here when we subtract 3 with 1, we'll get what? 2. Okay. So here what we are going to do, we'll take the sign of greater number. So here greater number is 3 and sign of 3 is what? Plus. And here we will take minus. So plus minus, minus plus will become minus. When we minus, we will get what? 2y. So this we are going to write in the place of 2y. So here I am writing the first step, that is 3y square minus 3y, again plus, in the place of 1 I am writing y. Okay, y is nothing but 1, then again minus 1. So we got two term here, that is 3yy and 3y. So 3y is what? 3y are both are common. So we'll take common factor here, 3y, and inside the bracket what remain? One more y. So we'll get what? Y square. Then again minus, nothing is common remain. So we'll take 1 here. So when we multiply this both, we'll get 3y square. And when we multiply the second step, that is 3y with 1, we'll get 3y. Again the plus sign will come here. And as you can see, this bracket will remain same as it is in the second step. Okay. So in between we'll take what? We'll take 1. So when we multiply this both, we'll get what? Y. And here when we multiply 1 with 1, we'll get 1 here. I hope you are understanding. Now next step is what? We'll take common factor in one bracket, and the remaining factor we'll write in second bracket, that is 3y plus 1. So this is our answer of question number 4. Now we are going to write second question, second sum, that is fifth one. Now second question is what? Root 3x square plus 4x plus root 3. So here as you can see, root 3 and root 3 is nothing but 3 itself. Okay. And when we see the table, 3 1s are 3. Okay. It is a prime number, a prime factor, so it will come in table of 3 itself. So I am writing here the solution. So as you can see, the middle term is what? Middle term is 4x, and when we plus this both, as you can see, there is a positive sign both side, so plus will come here. So I'm writing the equation 4x plus root 3 x square plus 4x plus root 3. Now here this will come as it is. In the place of 4x we'll write 3x plus x plus root 3. I hope you are understanding. Now here what is given? Root 3x square is given. So root 3x square. Okay. So we are having root 3 common. So we'll take root 3 here. Root 3x. These are common. So I'm taking here root 3x, and in the bracket we'll take x plus what remain? Root 3. Okay. Then again plus the second bracket same will come. So I'm writing here x plus root 3. So we are having two terms. To justify the second term, what we will do? As you can see, x is given plus root 3 is given. So here 1 will come. Okay, this x is nothing but 1 itself. So we'll take 1 here. 1 multiplied by x will get x, and plus when we multiply this both we'll get root 3. Now answer is what? The common factor we are going to write first, x plus root 3 and root 3x plus 1. This is our answer for question number 5. Now next question is what? Next question is given half x square minus 3x plus 4. So the first we have to multiply the first coefficient number with last. Okay, we'll get what? 2x square. What we'll get? We'll get 2. Now here 2 we got, then 2 ones are 2. Okay, the 2 will come in 2 table itself. So we have written 2 ones are 2. Okay, then now the first step will be, as you can see, half is given. So half we will write here. Now here the sign of bigger number is what? Plus. So here minus will take, minus is what? Plus itself. So I am writing here half x square minus, in the place of 3x, minus 2x minus x plus 4. Okay, now here as you can see, half x is x, 2x are given. Now the second term, this we are having two terms, so here 2x is given. So what is common here? As you can see, common is what? X. Okay, now we'll write the second step, half x, inside again x will come. Okay, now as you can see, the sign is what? Minus sign it is. So as you know, when we multiply this, the bigger number 4, we'll get 2. Okay, so here we'll take what? We'll take 4. Okay, again minus 1, and again the same bracket will repeat, x minus 4. Okay, now here as you can see, when we multiply this both, we'll get what? Half x square. And here when we multiply the 2 here, we'll get 2x. Okay, then here minus 1 is here. Then when we multiply this both, we'll get x. Now when we multiply 1 with 4, we'll get 4. And as you can see, minus minus is what? Plus. I hope you are understanding the steps. The next one is, the common factor is x minus 4. Okay, and the second common factor is the remaining one, half x minus 1. This is our factor of question number 6. I hope you understand question number 1 of 3.6 of polynomial. So please like, share and subscribe my channel, and remaining question I am going to solve in next video. Thank you.